go through this one. Shall we go through this one? Question 3? Alright. So when we're doing something like this, what we do, alright, and I'll use a red pen here, is we go use the FOIL method. Remember this? FOIL. Do you remember what FOIL stands for?
Front,
Yep.
outside,
Yep.
outside, inside,
Yep. Whoops.
and then last.
Last. Front, outside, inside, last, right?
Yeah.
So you go front 2, outside 2, inside 2, last 2. Does that make sense? So let's work that out. 2x times x is?
2x squared.
Yep. 2x times minus 1 is?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. 3 times x is?
Positive 3x.
Yep. 3 times minus 1 is?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Good. Right? So you get 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x is? Plus
X.
X minus 3. That's how you do it. Got it?
Yep.
Yep. Let's do this one. Do you want to talk me through it?
Sure. So that's 4a times 4a, which is 16a squared.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're jumping straight into it. Let me just write it out properly first.
Yeah.
Yep. How would you write it out in a way that allows us to use the FOIL method? 4a plus 5?
4a plus 5 and then 4a plus 5.
Good. Yep. And then, yeah, I know you just want to get stuck straight into it. So, yeah, let's do it.
That would be 16a squared.
Yep.
Plus 4a times 5, which is 20a.
Yep.
Plus 5 times 4a, which is 20a.
Yep.
Plus 5 times 5, which is 25.
Plus 25. Good. And then, yeah, let's simplify.
So that becomes 16a squared plus 40a plus 25.
Yep. Got it? Yep. Beautiful. How would you do this one here? Now, we could use the FOIL method, and the FOIL method would actually work very much in our favor. Yep.
Right.
However, there is a shorter method to do this question. It's really just the same method, right? But there is a shortcut that we can employ. Any ideas?
Possibly like taking out common factors, like putting 3 in the front.
Yeah, well, not quite. Have you seen something like this? A plus B. A minus B. Have you seen that before? And what's that called? Or what does that become?
It just becomes AB.
AB?
Oh, sorry.
A, which is A squared, yep.
Minus AB.
Yep. Well, we're doing the FOIL method now, are we?
Yeah.
Yep, cool. Keep going.
Plus BA, which is essentially AB.
Yep.
And then minus B squared.
Yep.
So essentially you're cancelling out the middle two factors.
Middle two terms, that's right. Yeah, the middle two terms disappear. Yeah. Okay. So what it becomes is what we call the difference of two squares. So A squared minus B squared. Yep. So it becomes A squared minus B squared, which in effect is what we call the difference of two squares, right? The difference of two squares factorizes into the sum by the difference. Sum by difference is what we call this. So this is a classic. Does this follow the sum by difference pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you got an A term, in this case it's 12x, and a B term, in this case it's 3y squared, right? And you've got the sum of those and the difference of those. Got it?
Yeah.
Now that ends up being, when you expand it out, the difference of two squares, right? So you can jump straight from this to that. You don't have to use the FOIL method. All right, if you can recognize that this is a sum by difference, you can go straight into turning it into a difference of two squares. So what would the answer be?
Uh-huh. I'm not sure, but like when you say squared,
Yes,
is that like the whole
yes,
everything including? So that would be 144x squared.
beautiful. So you got your a squareds, which is 12x times 12x, 144x squared. Yep.
And then you would have minus
Yes.
9y to the power of 4.
9y to the power of 4. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Good. Well done.